can finish.
Finish. Today.
Wow.
We were missing in the morning.
Very nice. So you're going home now?
Waiting for us again. Enrica. What are you doing last day?
I was in the jungle.
Sabi mo pa, hindi ko pa ulit sinabi mo.
Yeah, good. Wat zit hij dan maar? Ah, nee. Hey, joh, je bedrijf. Well, this is a small town called Karanan in the Philippines, the province of Camarines Sur. It's in the Bicol region. Yeah, quiet evening night. Pajamas is a big thing, especially in the province. You see everybody walking with their pajamas on.
Sa likod dyan. Sa likod. Ayan.
Ano yun ka? Talaga uploaded ka dyan ay. Bye-bye, baby!
Kuya! Ayo Terina. Goeienaand aan jou. Ek was vandag bietjie in die jungle in gewees. Maar my streams is dood jong. Ek weet nie. Ek weet nie wat gaan aan nie. Yeah, but remember the times are different when it's like by you. When I go in, it's like early morning by you, so it makes sense why you can't join. But I'll go again. Ek sal nog weer ingaan, ek weet dit nie wanneer nie. Miskien môre gaan ek weer 'n bietjie dorp toe gaan. So ek kry maar net so 'n bietjie tyd hierop. Vir een of ander rede van gister af is my streams dood. Het gebeur maar soms, party raak jy baie 3000 plus views en dan 'n ander dag is dit maar weer stom. Good. Nice. You put it there by the church? Ah, this nice grass for it. But dankie Torina, thank you very much. I will have a very nice evening. It's not too hot, it's actually, yeah, it's a beautiful night. I won't put this down here please. For some reason, since yesterday, my streams went there. From 3 class views to 200 and something. It's normal sometimes. It's annoying. Okay, guys.
You didn't go live in Facebook, so you can tell.
No, I don't do Facebook. There's too much marites.
It's YouTube.
Yeah, man. You see, the thing with Facebook is there's too many people they want to talk. You know, Facebook is gossip.
The keyboard warrior.
I don't have time for keyboard warriors, man. YouTube is more professional.
Yeah, so you can tell.
It's better. Yeah, there's a barangay for years. They're watching. I find Facebook is too much of a mission for me.
Yeah.
I prefer YouTube, you know, it's easier. Not easier, it's actually more difficult, but it's better for me.
How about TikTok, so you can tell?
Oh no,
No.
that's even worse. You see, for me, the thing with TikTok is, oh, it's so much weird stuff.
Mostly girls use TikTok to get famous. They
Dancing.
yeah. They reveal their body.
You see, I want to show people authentic stuff, real.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want to dance and all.
Yeah.
Nope. I mean, 2 days ago I had a very nice week. For 4 days in a row. Every day, every stream, over 2 days. And then from yesterday, I'm back. Why are what? Nothing.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yes, you can tell.
If 2 people watch for an hour, it gives me 2 hours watch time. So that's fine. Look at the gang. What's happening there? The dogs are a big problem. Oh, that's your tricycle now.
Yes, you can tell.
Oh, so did you, where's your bike?
I know. Pastor using it, so you can tell.
Ah, okay, where did you get the tricycle?
It's a second hand, so you get the sidecar. We just bought it at 5,000 pesos.
Oh, it's nice.
Just regular. And
Yeah,
Much easier to...
it's good for him. You can drive on it. You don't have to be 6 people on the street. Yeah, becoming fancy now.
We are
I'm gonna stop buying chicken here. No, it's good, man. But it's always up to yourself. Well, you already walked up and back and you're done too.
No.
That's always the excuse everybody uses. My back is pain.
No, we went walking. All the way to church. Baka na lang daan ka mo ni ano.
maati ang tubig na dinara mo.
Malinig ka. Kasi basa na mati.
Ba't may basa? Laki. Kaya na ayos.
Ikaw na nagkaroon.
30 seconds yun.
Yeah, no.
Change it.
We must have better than that.
And make it faster.
Yeah.
Ay.
Tatapon din.
I don't know what's happening here. Check this way. Both my wrists.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did insect bite you, sir?
Yeah, but what's the odds that they won't bite me on the
Same
same?
one. Maybe it's vampire.
Maybe it's twins.
Twins.
Yeah. Strange. If my hand falls off, I know it's a problem. Yeah. Ayo, je zegt, welkom bij die stroom. Ja, niet stroom, nee. Ik weet niet wat noem je het in Afrikaans niet.
How's your wound, sir?
Yeah, it's bad, man. It's still not healed. It's been what, 4 months now?
Yeah.
It's getting there. I did wrap it today.
Ano yan? Sakit siya.
Pwedeng diabetic yan. Bakit ang blood sugar? Kasi hindi natin
Relax pa mag-suplex siya.
kasi nabubulok na yan eh. Nakita mo.
Oo. Buhay na sugat nga yun. Sinasabi ko katulad kay mama. Yung isang taon, isang one and a half year na gumaling. Bilog yun. Ganon. Ba't lalo nabutuhan? Ako ito matagal dito eh. 5 months nito. Nabutuhan.
Pag itim ang ano no?
Oo. Ang hirap pag dito banda. Ito kasi nabuo na ng bakal.
Oo.
Buti hindi bumaon. Naging bilog. Pag ito, tagas talaga ito. Magluto pa naman ako.
Pero mas masigit yung circle din kung sa Facebook. Sa TikTok.
Ano, dapat kasi ginagawa niyang ano yun, pampapamous yung Facebook para mag-subscribe sa kanya sa YouTube. Bali, nagpo-post siya ng half video, tapos watch in the channel. Yeah.
Very tikla kasi sa YouTube yan. Hindi siya gumagamit. Anong discount? Actually ako may TikTok ano siya. Kaya niya mag-gain sa isang araw ng 1,000 followers. Ako ngayon nakagain ako ng 600 followers sa isang araw. Oo. May pag ano ka lang talaga. Yung pula pa na ano. Tulungan. Wala. May pioneer niya sa Facebook nga.
Owner pa naman siya.
Dami nga. Kasi ang ano lang naman, kailangan. Para sa market, no? Balay mo ya. Machempuan ni Mr. Beast. Machempuan ni Mr. Beast. Yung naglalag siya bigyan siya ng with 30,000.
Sir. Tin.
Words waar Afrikaans is de rechtstreekse stroom. Okay, in Afrikaans is de rechtstreekse stroom. I don't even know that. In Afrikaans is my language. Jesse, thank you. Rechtstreekse stroom. That's a ice stream in Afrikaans. Very cool.
When Mr. Fish watch your life, he will send you $10,000.
Hey man, if somebody sends me $10,000, that gives me almost 700k.
Yeah.
And I open a gas station. Yeah. You can put your stand there.
Yeah, very good.
I'll break this thing down. Put it there. It'll be good for the town.
Yeah, very good.
I wonder how much you need to open a gas station. I would say maybe with 500-600k you can like one pump. One pump.
It's only one pump because this is small town.
Yeah, you don't need more than one pump.
Yes.
And I'm thinking if you can open a convenience store, like a 7-Eleven type of store, that's 24/7. That can be good. It's the only one day, but you must make it here because everybody will use it. Then you make it like $1 cheaper for you to, and then everybody will.
Yes.
Tinanggal mo pa kasi basahan.
Kaso nga nagkukuling nga ni.
Yeah, what's wrong with you? Takes you forever.
Tanggalon mo na niniyo.
Si Ate Lynn ang kaya nagsabi.
Bakit sabon. Bakit?
But is it keep bringing you dirty water?
No, sir.
I'm going.
Why? Are you scared to run out? Huh?
I didn't hear it.
Off on, huh? Like off on. Because you say that, what it is, huh? Say off on, huh? I say, meaning a monkey. That's of the swim. Hey, obviously you don't get it. Say, huh? I'm saying, are you going to vote now because you're scared the water is going to ask you to do something? Well, what's that? Well, okay, I thought you wanted that too. Yeah, they took my chair away. No, but I told him the other night, I don't want to leave it here because you never know somebody might take it. The dogs like to take a pee against the wheels. I don't like it because it causes rust.
Uneducated dog.
Yeah. You know what's funny? All over the world, a dog cannot give a tire or they have to pee against it.
Yeah.
Did you see that video about the guy he's taking a video of the dog? Like as the dog goes to his heck against the wheel, he pulls away, and the dog is standing there. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, dog is. Rechtstreekse stroom. Ja, baie interessant. Rechtstreekse stroom. Ja, jy moet eigenlijk niet gebeuren as 'n rechtstreekse stroom nie. Interessant, né? Het jy ge-Google om dit te weet? Want ek moet sê ek ken nog ons my taal goed, maar ek het nie geweet wat dit is nie. Regstreekse stroom. Ja, ek moet dit onthou. I need to remember that.
May gulay naman sa doon. Yung maalat na palong na ilin. Naaalatan sa hindi maalat sa luto niya. Akala mo, inasira yun. Ang hirap mo na. Ano? Eh, yung ano kayo? Tawag ko yung kanin mo. Kaya lagyan mo na kanin. Lumalaban ko yung alat eh. Sabi niya yung asin niya kasi maalat. Sin na.
Maganda yung ating pag-aalat. Diba? Pero kasi na walang alat.
Meron lang kasi na
Oh, interessant. Ek het dit regtig nie geweet nie. Dit is nogals baie interessant dat Afrikaans het 'n woord vir ons.
Eggplant, salted eggplant with additional salt soy sauce.
Soya sauce, of course, the Philippines. Everything has got soya sauce.
Yeah. Pero in your country, what food you?
Yes, man, South Africa's got good food. But the difference is we've got a much bigger variety of food.
Much
You know,
bigger.
dishes, a yacht, man. Too much. But we use soya sauce, but not. Yes, see, I think I probably use soya sauce like once in a year, my God. I've been eating soya sauce since I've been in the Philippines. I think the first meal that I had in the Philippines was adobo. At the airport. No, I'm talking nonsense. At the airport at PTX. Yeah, by the buses. I went inside the mall there and I had some. Yeah.
What kind of food in the Africa?
A lot of meat.
More meat.
We eat meat every day. Red. So you have like a lot of beef. Especially very good stew. Each stew, different stews.
Carbs. What kind of carbs? Potato?
Oh yes, potato, of course.
Carrots.
Oh yeah, we have carrots, we have beans, we have proper spinach,
The side
broccoli,
dish.
cauliflower, a lot of
Always like
stuff.
that.
Yeah, but we make it differently than here. We make a salad out of it, or we can put like a white sauce over it. So, yeah, we do a lot of things.
Don't eat rice.
They do,
Sometimes.
they do, but not like here. Yo.
Always eating rice.
Maybe there I can eat rice once, twice a week. Some people maybe every day, I don't know, but rice is not so popular like here. But our rice is good because it's imported. Yeah. Even here, I like the Denorado.
Risotto.
It's a nice rice.
Try the coco pandan.
Yeah.
Coco pandan.
Coco pandan. I don't know it. I need to try it. I don't like the tiger, and I don't like the... and also the peacock is okay. It's okay.
Try in the market, I see
The coco pandan.
coco pandan.
Is it a jasmine or a jasmine?
Just like soft variety of rice.
Yeah, but what type of rice is it? A jasmine or a
Like
jasmine?
this jasmine.
Ah, okay. And it's not too expensive.
Mabango.
And how expensive is it?
Just like normal rice. 60.
Per kg? Ah, okay. Ah.
thank you.
I'll see you on tomorrow, man.
See you. Going home.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye. Have a good one. Oh yes, I want to do the bunny chopping, but that's a lot of stuff. Like you have to be registered and stuff like that. But yeah, who knows? In the near future, I might be able to do something like that. Get your own vendor store, have somebody working there. The big thing is the language. Hey, how are you, my friend? See, the big thing is the language barrier. That is the biggest thing. Sorry, man. So yeah, that's the biggest concern. Thank you. That is the biggest thing, is the language. But yeah, bunny chows would be an amazing thing to do. Actually, there's a good restaurant idea that I have for Pasakau, to have like some proper pizza and stuff. You never know, it might pick up. They need some proper pizza, real pizza. Check this out. good thing is that people don't know bunny chows. They don't know what it is. And I bet they would really enjoy it. Oh yeah. Then again, the other thing is there's no curry here. Like you don't get proper curry in the Philippines unless you go to the big city in Manila. But I think if I do that, I have to make my own bread also. They don't have like the bread like we do. But I do think bunny chow can work. I'm not against it. I'm definitely not against it. Oh, let me just turn this. The light is very bad today. Let's get some scene change. Let's change the scenery a bit. And there you have it. Small town. Yeah, dogs, you're gonna find them everywhere. They just run around. You have to be very careful because they can just jump in front of you. Even the children, they are out of control. They are everywhere. Take the e-bike. Battery operated. Race cool there. Yeah, it's basically like a golf cart. It's basically the same thing. Let's pop into this one resort. They all know me by now. I do come here sometimes. Yeah, let's go in here. This is my spot. I always come here. Good evening. Let me just get this on charge. In the next 10 minutes I'm gonna end this in 10 minutes. Good evening, good evening. It's so funny, it's a beach resort, but it's oh sorry, dead quiet. Nothing going on. Quiet, quiet. Yeah, that's true. There's many things I can do. I would like to open a resort. But then again, the thing with a resort is it only makes money on certain times. Yeah, like basically on times when people come here, like summer times and December and stuff. So yeah, that's not a really good thing. And yes, you can have a resort that's got like a proper fancy restaurant or something. I think that can be good. See, that is kind of a plan that I have. The thing to open up here is a fuel station. If you can open a gas station, you can make good money in the Philippines. Because the thing with a gas station is, everybody needs fuel. The depot is not far from here. So if you want to make good money in the Philippines, I would suggest you open a fuel station. You can make some good money if you have a fuel station in the province, because everybody needs fuel, and yeah, there's only one year. So if you can make it and you make your fuel a bit cheaper, I would say 1 peso cheaper per liter, you can make some good money. So yeah, then again, something that I have to work on. I must first obviously get the finances. Yeah, I was thinking about that, because a lot of people, they always wash their bikes, but here is a machine you put 5 peso inside of it, and then basically you can wash your own motorbike. But if you can open maybe a proper motorbike wash that does a deep cleaning, yeah, of course, I think you can make money with your own coffee shop and your own restaurant thing with it. That's exactly, I think, something that can work. Especially if you come wash your bike there, you get somebody that can work for you. They can wash it and stuff. I think that's something that can work. Especially in the Philippines, in the province. But then, yeah. Look at this, wait. Let me show you these dogs. Hey, the stray dogs here that's another thing. Yeah, and also when you do that, I think, you see, a thing that I think can work here is if you have a place where you can have billiard boards. Everybody actually play pool and singing, but pizzas, proper pizzas, like, proper pizza, not those frozen ones. Oh, I bet you can make good money. Yeah, food won't always make money. I mean, if you make proper pizza. Oh, people enjoy pizza here, but it's not a proper pizza place here. All the pizzas are not really that good. If you can have proper pizza, and oh, of course, I think you're gonna have a lot of customers. Pizza is a way to go, especially in the province. Every time somebody goes to the city, I can see them coming back with pizza. Yeah, have a nice pizza oven. Ah, the proper way. Make good pizza, good toppings. Oh, I think you can make money. Definitely. And with that, you have your own store. I was thinking if you can have a gas station, at the gas station you have your own bike wash, and then also you have your own store where you can make your food, even a sari store with it, like your own convenience store. Yeah, I'm sure you won't make money. But then again, you need money to make money, so in the future, that's something that I would enjoy to do. Yeah, I would. Oh yeah, of course you can make it yourself. I know how to do it. There is bricks here, there's everything, so yeah, I can definitely make myself one. Have some proper pizza. What I'll do is I'll give you a phone call and I'll send you some photos of a place that I wanna get. But yeah, everybody, I think I will end the stream. And then we can have another stream tomorrow. I will probably be in town. It's market day. It's very busy. Yeah, then we can take it from there again. So yeah, everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the thumbs up. And also thank you for having a chat. We won't do this again tomorrow. Alright guys, have a good evening. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Only work on orders. But then again, you have to get yourself in the game, so you can work on orders. It's good. I think your name would spread. Maybe I must make myself like a wrong wood pizza oven. That's the best way. But yes, everybody, I'm gonna end the stream now. We won't speak again tomorrow. We can do another one.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.